अपना कॉलेज नेट YouTube channel. Students, CAT 2023 notification is out. In today's video, we will talk about CAT 2023, important dates, eligibility criteria, how to register, all that details. CAT, Common Admission Test 2023 is scheduled to happen in the month of November 2023. And this score will be used for admission into management program in India's top-notch MBA institutions starting from IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, IIM Calcutta, IIM Kozhikode, IIM Indore and other IIMs as well. There are also baby IIMs which have newly come up. All total 20 IIMs are enlisted in this CAT 2023 notification. Apart from that, there are non-IIM institutions also which are accepting CAT 2023 score for admission in the batch of MBA or PGDM 2024-2026. So, in today's video, let us understand how to go about CAT notification, when does it start, what happens, how to register and all that. If you have any query regarding CAT 2023 notification, please feel free to connect with us on the phone number right now shown on the screen. You can follow us on our Facebook page, Apna College, and Instagram page, Apna College 1. Apna College Net is a YouTube channel where you can get all examination related information, updates, college reviews. So you must like and subscribe and share Apna College Net YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to receive update and alerts about the new videos uploaded in this channel. ApnaCollege.net, our website, is the information source and guide for you for the top B schools in India, city-wise, with cutoff score as well. So, let us check out CAT 2023 notification. Common Admission Test CAT 2023 is a prerequisite for admission to various postgraduate and fellow programs of IIMs. CAT 2023 scores are allowed to be used by listed non-IIM member institutions as well. CAT 2023, the registration opens on August 2nd, 2023, 10 a.m. onwards. The CAT 2023 registration will close down on September 13th, 2023 at 5 p.m. For registration into the Common Admission Test CAT 2023, you have to log in to the website www.iimcat.ac.in. For CAT 2023 registration, a candidate needs to pay the registration fees only once, irrespective of the number of institutes he or she is applying for. CAT 2023 registration fees, once paid, cannot be refunded under any circumstances. For scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and PWD category candidates, the CAT 2023 registration fees is 1,200 only, and for all other categories of candidate, the registration fees is 2,400 only. CAT 2023 admit card can be downloaded from CAT website from October 25, 2023 till November 26, 2023. On 26 November, CAT 2023 examination will happen in 3 slots. Morning slot from 8:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Afternoon slot from 12:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. and evening slot from 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. And CAT 2023, the result will be declared on second week of January 2024 tentatively. CAT 2023 registration has commenced from August 2nd and will conclude on September 13th, 2023. Candidates will have to register at iim.cat.ac.in website to fill the online application form. Let us check out the CAT registration and application process 2023. First, you have to go to the official website iimcat.ac.in. Then click on the new registration. You have to enter name, date of birth, nationality, phone number and email ID to register. After successful registration, you have to log in with the ID received in the email to fill up the application form. In the application form, in the next stage, you have to enter personal and academic details. Along with that, you need to upload a recent passport size photograph and scanned signature. And in the next step, you have to select your preferred courses and IIMs. And then you have to select test city preference for exam center allotment. And at the end, you have to pay the application fee via credit card or debit card or net banking. Let us look into the CAT 2023 eligibility criteria. The candidate must hold a bachelor's degree with at least 50% marks or equivalent CGPA awarded by any university or educational institution. Candidates appearing for the final year bachelor's degree or equivalent qualification are also eligible to apply. Before applying for CAT 2023, you must check your eligibility for CAT 2023 by referring to the eligibility criteria. You must also have a valid and unique email address and mobile number. So students, you have got the details of CAT 2023 notification. I think I have made an attempt to make it lucid and easy for you. Still, if you have any queries, feel free to connect with us on the phone number right now shown on the screen. You can also put your query in the WhatsApp and we will be reverting back to you as soon as possible. So, see you soon with our next video on management entrance test and B-School review only on Apna College Net YouTube channel.